Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
What's with the balloon? Secret! Tell me, please!
Baker, let's go! You're on!
Great win today, Cal.
Thank you, Shannon. It was a great move.
I'm gonna make you.
Makes everyone else happy too.
Hi, Philip! Oh, you're like sunshine!
Think, look at me.
I have followed the racing my entire life, my whole life.
Then you know who I am.
Here we go, everyone! La la la!
Boy, you're in a heap of trouble.
The idea is to keep a low profile meter.
What?
The spot. There, right there. In the hood, right?
And the king are loose! I think McQueen is out of the race!
Hey, man. Have Every third blink is slower.
Just stopping off for a quick breather.
Turunkan aku!
Responding. Where's Vader? Right back. Put it in reverse, pal. Make room for... ¡Son tubos de escape!
What are you doing, kid?
I think the king should finish his last race.
I'm happier than a tornado in a trailer park.
Oh, it's two jump sets. Neither Lightning or Bobby ever...
¡Aquí, recto! ¡Ya hoy suficiente! ¡Y fuera!
Fix roads. Lousy. Have fun fishing, Mater.
The highly modified car group set him as the gang's head of security and crowd control.
Hay noticias. El chico Jackson Storm le acaba de poner un buen alto al Rayo McQueen.
Strong enough to fix that road is Big Al.
Is he? Big Al left like 15 years ago.
Then why are you...
I hereby dub thee Sir Tomica.
Was McQueen's idea. He felt HUD would have wanted you to have it.
He's right here.
Don't worry, Mama. I've been cleaning.
Stop by New Orleans for some of that sweet jazz.